welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tolga, and today we're gonna make some keychains in the form from cat from Filt. Okay, let's begin.
Application here for a cat. I made a drawing. This is the body, and I have also tail, and I have also here the foot and the hands. You can use them both on both sides. Dus 4 times from this I need, no, 8 times I need from this pattern, 2 times from the tail, and 2 times from the torso. Okay, the first thing what I'm gonna do is cut them out in 2 pieces from the torso. Okay, I have 2 from the body applications, also Filt, 2 of them. I have 2 tails, cut them in 2 tails. I have the face where the nose is coming up. I have 4 times the feet and the paws, same color, and 4 times the paws and the feet in another color, because it is I want to do this one size brown and one size taupe, just like this. You can see is one feet is up. You see all the paws on the other side. Where is the paws first? What I'll do is I made them I made it just like this, the paws, just like this. What I'm gonna do is put this, both of them together, the front up and down. Gonna get them together. First, the paws. I will do one paw on camera, and I'll do the another ones, the 3 of them, I will do off camera. When I am ready, I will show you how I done it. It's very easy, because I don't want to waste your time with all the watching how I do all the 4 paws, the feet and the hands from the cat. Dus I will do off camera the 3 of them. Yeah, both sides. I made it. I will do the rest. I do the rest on off camera, and I'll be back with a little bit nose on it. And what we're gonna do is the whiskers, and that is same color. Makes some stripes. Make his whiskers on the face of my cat. Just like this. And I do the same, of course, on the other side. Now you see the whiskers is already this is the front of my cat. Made also the tail. It's already done. Tail. The paws and the feet are already done. Made 4 of them. Okay, I will do the eyes for my cat. And on the back side, I'll be back, because it's gonna be a keychain. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make I have cut a strip from Filt. I fold it in 2, and I'm gonna stitch it inside my cat, because if I do the front, comes this, you will see the last product is show off just like this. See? For that I'm gonna stitch it inside my cat. Okay, I'm gonna stitch it just like a crossbow, cross size. Okay, this will do it. Because when it's stitched up, it will fit and it will hold this. Okay? The rest of it, we cut it. You will see 3 stitches on the other side and a cross in the inside. Okay, what we're gonna do is, before I stitch this, you can also do the tail and stitch the tail inside my cat, just what I did here. I do it off camera just like this, and I'll be back. Just the inside, the outside, it will look just like this. Okay, what we're gonna do is the front, what I have, I'm gonna stick this together, all of them, the both sides. I'm gonna stick it around it. If I'm done that, and after that I'm gonna stick the feet and the hands on the front. But first we're gonna round and round, gonna stick it. Stick one feet just like this, you'll see. I will stick the another feet near it. Cut the ropes off. Just like this. We have the feet. And I will do off camera also the hands. The paws will come just like this, and I will do that off camera. Now this is the final product. This is the paws, you can see if you hold on, see the pulse inside. And I did also Keychain, and this is the final product.
Okay, this is the end result, and you can make it in different colors if you want. I made it in brown. You make also in black or purple, what you kind of like. Okay, don't forget to subscribe downstairs, and I see you in the next video. Bye!